Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to repost someone else's story on Instagram. So if someone has mentioned you on their Instagram story, you will be notified like this. So in order for you to repost their story or that Instagram story, you just have to open Instagram, go to your Instagram messenger, and you will be notified. You will receive this one. Shanti mentioned you on her Instagram story. So all you have to do is to tap this one and then add this to your story. However, you should see some options above that you can change the background or you can add background and change the color of your Instagram story before you repost it. However, if you tap that person's profile, you cannot simply add this or you cannot simply save this one because this is just a story. So you cannot edit this. Now, there is a feature or new feature in Instagram that you can edit the story before you can repost this one. Okay. Now, if you can't see that new feature, don't worry. What you're going to do is to simply go to your Instagram Help Center. So go back, tap your profile at the bottom right corner, tap these three lines at the top right corner, scroll down, or tap settings and privacy rather, and then scroll down and look for help. Now the next thing to do here is to tap this help and then tap report a problem, okay, and then report without shrinking, include and continue. Here you have to tell them that you're encountering the problem, tap send, and wait for them to respond to your concern. So I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.